Here we have another project of science fair or a school project. The name of the project is fire alarm. It is used in it can also be used as a frozen alarm or a oven alarm. Here we have a battery of 9 volt, battery connector, 12 volt buzzer, which is normally used in vehicles for a signal light, and electronic projects as a beeper. Here we have a IC, it is OPAMP IC. Here we have used LM358. This is preset to set the level of temperature above which we want to get a notice, audible or visible notice. Audible notice will be available with this buzzer, and visible notice will be available this LED. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are different values register. The black 3 terminal component is transistor. It is BC547, which is NPN type transistor. Here we have a NTC. Value of this NTC is equal to 10 kilo ohm. When there is a normal room temperature below the preset level, there will no sound and no light from the LED and the buzzer. But if the NTC fitted on the surface which must be monitoring, we should be monitoring the surface of that component or a body or a mechanical part goes high over the preset level, the buzzer will start and LED will start. Now we are using a soldering iron. Gives the project work, and when the temperature goes below the preset level, which is set by this preset, the buzzer will be automatically stopped. This all project is working on 9 volt battery, so there is no possibility to shock, so the small children which are learning in school can also make it and present in their class. If you want this type of projects, you can call us on a number flashing below the video. We will send it to you in any area of India. Thank you.